Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for tuning in. Today's quick little glam video is going to be dramatic eyeliner with some glitter. This look was created with multiple liners, multiple tools, and with multiple different styles of brushes that will all be listed in the box below. Make sure to take your time. Thank you so much for tuning in, and as always, subscribe and show the video some love, and keep watching if you want to see how I achieve this look. So the first step is going to be, after we've done our foundation, our brows, and our mascara first coat, we are using a magnetic liquid liner to do the Cateye. Then we'll be taking that same liner and dragging it along the crease to make the cut crease, and cleaning up with a concealer brush any uneven edges. Make sure to take your time with this. You really want to go for slow, crisp lines. Next, with an eyeshadow primer, we are going to be taking a second concealer brush and dabbing right in the center there. Then with a white pressed pigment from MAC, I will be taking a concealer brush, getting it wet, and dabbing right where I put the eyeshadow primer, and then into the center of the eye. Don't be afraid to smudge with your fingers on this one, it gives the best result. Then following, cleaning up all lines with a liquid liner with Stila, and then my magnetic lashes, and a quick coat of mascara to blend everything together.